Why does your scanner show the P0057 engine code? What does it mean? P0057 is a diagnostic trouble code for HO2S heater control circuit low, bank 2 sensor 2. This engine code indicates that the heated oxygen sensor, or HO2S, is equipped with a heating element that helps it reach its optimal operating temperature faster, which improves emissions and fuel efficiency. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed oxygen sensor, blown fuse, wiring problems, electrical connections, PCM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota, Lexus, and Kia models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.